Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSC 2015 set 3 guys. The question is consider a network connecting two systems located 8,000 kilometers apart. So the distance here is 8,000 kilometers. So let us convert it into meters into 10 power 3 meters. The bandwidth of the network is equals to 500 into 10 power 6 bits per second. Okay, the speed is equals to 4 into 10 power 6 meters per second. It is needed to design a go back N protocol. The average packet size, that is nothing but length, is equals to 10 power 7 bits. Okay, so the network is to be used full capacity. Okay, so assume that the propagation delay and every other delays are negligible, then the maximum size in bits of the sequence number field has to be. Okay, so basically what do they mean by full efficient? Full capacity is nothing but efficiency equal to 1 guys. So let us start solving. So it is nothing but a TP is equals to, so speed is equals to distance by time, time is equals to distance by speed. So it is nothing but a distance by speed, that is equals to 8,000 into 10 power 3 divided by 4 into 10 power 6 seconds meters. So it is a 10 power 6. So 3, 4, 5, 6. So everything will be cancelled. So at the end I am left out with 2 seconds. Similarly here coming to the TT, that is equals to length by bandwidth. That is nothing but length is a 10 power 7 bits divided by 500 into 10 power 6 bits per second. So this bits will cancel. So 6 and 7, this will cancel, and it is nothing but a 1 by 50. Is that correct guys? Oh my god, it is 1 by 50 second. Okay, so what is the exact value guys? So let it be 1 by 50 only. Okay, yes. So we know efficiency equal to 1. So we know the formula for go back N. So efficiency is equals to window size divided by 1 plus 2 into TP by TT. That is nothing but 1 into window size by 1 plus 2 into 2 divided by 1 into 50. Wow, that's really good, right? Yes. Okay, so let us continue. So let us shift this side. So window size is equals to 1 plus 2 into 2 into 50. So this value is a 50 into 2 is 100, 100 into 2 is 200. So the window size is a 201. Okay, so if the sender window size is a 201, the receiver window size is always 1, right? Yes. So the total window size is a 202. So with how many bits we can represent? So take a log of 202. Log base 202, which is nothing but a 7.6 and something. Which is a 7.6 and something. So which indirectly you need 8 bits to represent. Got it? Yes. So 8 is the correct answer. Got it? Yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea, right? Yes. So all these networking questions are in this way only guys. You need to just substitute the formula and get the answers. Okay? Yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.